What's up guys, Melvin here from hairtransplantnetwork.com. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how you should be sleeping after having a hair transplant. For those of you who don't know, I just went through my fourth and final hair transplant in Eugenics Hair Sciences in India, and I'm detailing my entire journey from start to finish on the Hair Restoration Network. You can go ahead and find the thread in the description box in case you guys want to follow my journey. Alright, let's get started. Alright, to go to sleep you're going to need two things. You're going to need one of these, and you're going to need one of these, which is basically just a pee pad. If you guys have dogs or something like that, you may have this lying around. If you don't worry, you can still use paper towels in a garbage bag. All you need is just something that won't absorb the blood. So if you had your hairline and your temples done, you cannot sleep on your side no matter what, because this could dislodge the grafts. If you had grafts put in the back of your crown, you can't lay your head against the pillow because, again, this may dislodge the grafts. I know you guys are probably thinking, well, how the hell am I supposed to sleep? Standing up? No, I'm going to show you guys exactly right now. Alright, so you want to grab this and you want to wrap it around the neck pillow. Alright, you want to go ahead and put the neck pillow like this. Alright, prop up your pillows. If you have two pillows, use two pillows. If you don't, that's fine. You can just use this, and you're going to go ahead and lay like that. So I'm going to show you guys another angle from this side of how it looks. Make sure this is not touching. Alright, and so your head should be slightly above, so it's not really touching, it's just like that. So as you see, the back of my scalp is pretty close, but it's still propped up. And this is how you guys should be sleeping for at least 7 days. Alright guys, well that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. If you guys found the video informative, please give the video a like. And if you like the content that I put on this channel, please consider subscribing. And again, if you guys want to follow my journey, the thread will be in the description box, hairrestorationnetwork.com. You can check out threads like mine and many, many more in case you guys are interested in researching hair transplants. Alright, till next time.